equals speed times time, right? So if you're going 25 miles per hour, which is your speed, for 1 hour, you would have gone 25 miles, right? So with the wind speed, we have to add a variable. So d equals s times t plus w times t. So what this is saying is distance equals the speed of the airplane times the time it's flying plus the wind speed times the time. So in this case, we know that the distance is equal to 600, and that equals the speed of the airplane s times time, which we don't know how long the plane's flying for, plus the wind speed, which is 30 times time. So we get 600 equals st plus 30t. Now, without wind, our equation is distance equals the speed of the airplane times the time it's flying minus the speed of the wind times the time it's flying. So if we put numbers in, distance is 450. Oh wait, I got this backwards. I said, okay, so it's not without wind, it's against the wind, sorry. Against the wind, we have 450 equals the speed times the time minus the wind times the time. So I changed that. It was against wind, right? So the distance was 450. We were given that. We don't know the speed or the time, but then we were given the wind. So if we take our two equations, we have 600 equals st plus 30t, and 450 equals st minus 30t. So now you have two equations and two unknowns, so you can solve this equation. So let's go ahead and solve it really fast. I'm going to write all the steps, and I'm just going to hold it up, and hopefully you get it, because this is actually pretty simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the bottom equation from the top equation. So I'll show you that again really fast. So here's the bottom equation, the 450. I'm subtracting that from the top equation. So 600 minus 450 is 150. st minus st is 0. 30t minus a negative 30t is 60t. So now we have 150 equals 60t. Right? And then we know that t equals 15 divided by 6, which I don't know what that is, but I can do on the calculator really quickly. 15 divided by 6 equals 2.5. Okay, so now we know that the plane has been flying for 2.5 units of time. And we can take that t value and plug it into either of the equations, so either of these two, and solve for s. So I'm going to go ahead and solve the top one, 600. So now we have 600 equals 2.5s plus 2.5 times 30. Hopefully you can see that. So 600 equals 2.5s plus 30 6375. 600 minus 75 is 525 equals 2.5s. So that's where we're at there. Now, obviously, S is just 525 divided by 2.5, which equals 210. Therefore, the plane was traveling 210 whatever for whatever. Didn't really give you units. So, there you go.